Hello, friends. When you are planning to make a dream website for your business and services, you need a domain name, a hosting, and a perfect WordPress theme. So, we have seen hundreds of themes and plugins on this channel. We are discussing lots about the WordPress website on this channel. So, you can explore more here on the WP Themes website. Link has been given in the video description, of course. So, the thing is that you need hosting and domain before you start creating your website if you are not making the website at your local machine. So it is not recommended even to start creating a website on a local machine, right? So for hosting and the domain you need to pay, and I used to show the shared hosting for the illustration purposes. You need a hosting domain name and you can buy a reasonable hosting plan and all. But if you don't want to invest any amount, you want a free instance for testing purposes, even for tagging, cloning purposes. If you have already a WordPress website, you want to check certain features and you don't want to invest further amount for the hosting and domain because you are just willing to have a test instance. So what you can do? Here is the solution. So, like this is a WordPress instance. This is actually a test instance. And I got this instance absolutely free for 24 hours. And it is free. Yes, absolutely free for 24 hours. I can install anything, any plugin here to check all the things, the functionalities. If somehow you got a theme or plugin and you just want to learn the theme or understand the functionalities, you want to know how you can install, how you can customize the things. This is the instance that you can use directly for free. And further, if you want to make a clone of your existing website, you can do the same. How? Very simple. You have very simple click steps and you can do all this. So, um, this is the thing. So, tastewp.com. So, I'll add the link in the video description. And this is the website where you can create a testing instance in a click. So, just click here, just agree the terms, and you can click. No sign up is required. Even you don't need to share your email ID, the mobile numbers, the credit card details. Nothing is required here to set up a test instance like I did here. And I can choose, I can upload themes. So all the services for this test instance is running very smoothly. I have tested the checked the site health and all these things before I started creating this video for you. So I'm only recommending the things that is really useful for WordPress website on this channel. So don't worry about that. Okay, right? So thing is that you can create an instance. Just click on this and you'll get this information like the URL for logging the test instance, the username and the password. So this password remains active. The instance remains active for 24 hours, and you'll be fine to check all the things, how you can go for testing and you can install the theme, understand the functionalities, learn the things, and you can test the tagging or test and create a tagging environment. Like I'll show you again. Like, so you can get started with WordPress quickly, even without being logged in, right? Play around without inhibitations and clone other sites and test WP as your staging. Use TasteWP as your staging server with this plugin. So this is a plugin, one plugin that can help you in creating a migration for your existing website is backup and migration. So this is a free plugin that is coming from the same developer, same house. So this is a very wonderful plugin that we may discuss in another video. So this is a backup and migration plugin that can help you in creating a staging or clone instance, and that you can use directly here, right? Like very quickly, if I wish to show you, so backup and migration is here, and you can create a tagging site here directly. So you can choose the URL and you can create a tagging site, and of course you can check all the things same as in your live website but on a different interface, so that your main website should not be disturbed while you are testing, and if you any error comes, it is not going to affect your actual website. So tagging has its own benefits. Cloning, of course, you know this term, right? So the simple thing, you can create tagging things, and of course I'll show you the, and of course so you can create a tagging website for testing purposes, and even you like, in case if you want to continue on the same thing, you have created a website like on the test instance and everything is running fine, and you work 24 hours, I mean, in a day you work a lot, and your website may be ready or about to be launched, and you are thinking about, oh yeah, how I can continue with the same settings that I did throughout the day. So you can continue with the same providers, like host your site with us, like TasteWP provides hosting services as well. So you can continue with the hosting, so you can explore the plan and packages, of course. So the thing is that you are going to get all the things as we discussed for free for testing for a day. And if you are choosing the premium features, it had no expiry, and you'll get 20 GB of space for every site. 20 GB is more than enough space for even for a professional website. You can use your domain when you are choosing the premium features, and you can get the support as well. And if we talk about the pricing, so it is like 2.98 USD monthly, and you can cancel anytime. So you can check all the details. I'm going to add the link in the video description. But for testing purposes, this is the best solution, I think. And you can get this instance, free instance for a day for testing purposes. So if you want to go, you just need a click here, and your test instance will be ready. So how you like this, and you are going to test this, right? So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website, some very helpful tools. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Don't miss to subscribe the channel.